The much-rumored Apple glasses still remain somewhat of a mystery, as there have been precious few solid leaks or rumored around a pair of augmented reality smart glasses the company is supposedly cooking up. We had thought the Apple glasses would be coming sooner rather than later, but it's looking ever more likely that we will not be having it anytime soon. On this video, we are going to tell you what is known so far about the Apple glasses. Let's start with the release date. We would not expect the Apple Glass release date to be anytime soon. That's because an Apple AR and VR headset is expected first, which is tipped to arrive in late 2022 or early 2023. The Apple Glass would then follow after that. Talking about the price, from close sources, the Apple glasses are currently priced at $499 plus prescription fees. Now that may seem low, especially compared to competing augmented reality headsets like the Microsoft HoloLens 2. HoloLens 2 has a price tag of $3,500, but a big part of its cost comes from having all the electronics needed to run the AR experience built into the headset. Looking at the battery durability, Apple should be able to find a way to make Apple glasses last through an average workday. It should have at least 8 hours of battery life, assuming you're not running 3DR apps all time, though it may not happen in the first generation. Now looking at the features of this Apple glasses, according to a Bloomberg report, the Apple AR glasses will bring information from your phone to your face. Specifically, the eyewear are expected to synchronize with a wearer's iPhone to display things such as texts, emails, maps, and games over the user's field of vision. Now let's talk about the design. The most current Apple Glass prototype reportedly looks like an unintimidating pair of plastic glasses. It has a LiDAR scanner on the right temple, but no other cameras for privacy reasons. The glasses also come with a plastic stand with wireless chargers. Talking about the specs, there's no known specs about the Apple Glass yet, but we can speculate based on what we know about the current tech. For example, it will at least have the same field of view and resolution as the HoloLens 2. If Apple aims to create a true augmented reality solution as opposed to a heads-up display that shows 2D floating notifications or maps, like Google Glass, it's reasonable to expect the Apple glasses to connect directly to the iPhone on a dedicated Wi-Fi connection. For more updates in the tech world, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.